welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today we're going to look at this really cute style. This is Candace by Henry Margu, and the color on this one is 10613GR. More on her in just a minute. Let's start looking at Candace by Henry Margu. So really cute style. This is just, an almost all one length lob cut, middle part lace front. I will say that when you first take this wig out of the box, she wants to be all in the face, which I know is a pain. This is very common with wigs, especially these lob styles or bob styles. You tend to get that face flop when you first get the wig. But I have just worked with it. I have not put any product on it because y'all know I don't like to do a whole lot to these when I show them to you in a review. I want you to see what it looks like out of the box and then see what you can do with it, So, I just got the zigzag part. It didn't even really have much of a zigzag. It's a middle part. So I got that part opened and then, just kept kind of working with these sides to get them to lay around my face, and it's already laying down pretty nicely. It could use a little more work, up here. There's a little bit of a bump up here. That's just from the box. But, it's already responding very nicely. These are regular synthetic fibers. They are not heat friendly. So, but a little bit of warm hands and, just working with it is making it work out. So that's good. So anyway, I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specs. So here she is from the front. Here's my left side, the back, my right, and back to the front. So really light, wispy fibers. I'm not finding that they are tangling easily. Like I said, these are just regular synthetic, not heat friendly. There's a little bit of shine to them. Regular synthetic fibers tend to have, more of a coating of silicone on them, so they are shinier, but a little dry shampoo or just a cold water soak or things like that will help get rid of that shine. So but really nice fibers, just fine denier to the hair, and just like I said, I really like the fibers. They're very nice. So, and the nape is not tangling badly on me or anything like that. This is a great length, very wearable length, So, okay, so that being said, let's talk about all the lengths in Candace. So Candace has a 10-inch bang here in the front. I have seen her with a bang cut in, and she looks cute like that. Or you could do a curtain bang and just have a, a little bit of a side swept bang. On the sides here, she is 5 to 13 inches. From the nape back here, she is 8 inches. And then they give an overall measurement of 15 inches. So nice, like I said, nice length, easy to work with. Just a little bit of layering here. Goes from a 10 to a 13 here on the sides. So, you just have a little bit of tapering around the face. Gives her just a really nice loose end. Kind of flips up slightly on the shoulder, but basically it is just, pretty much just straight as a board. So just looks like really pretty, nicely flat ironed hair, Okay, so as I said, she is a lace front, temple to temple lace front. The knots look really nice on this one. This does have a dark root, so you can see, the knots with the darker root, but then they did place some of the lighter fibers up at the very front, and not an unnatural amount, which I like. Sometimes I think they put too much of those light fibers at the front and it just looks kind of funny. So then she is a middle part. I've got great coverage around the face. This is an average size cap. It's fitting me fine on my petite head, ear to ear. There's extra room, forehead to nape. And there's lots of stretch in the circumference, so this would easily be average, petite, average, and above average. So fitting very nicely. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. There's your part. Okay, so as I said, middle mono part, temple to temple lace front that extends down onto the ear tabs. So it gives you really nice appearance. of a nice long lace front there across your forehead. We have closed lace up here, no permatease that I can find. She has the soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has a soft felt extended nape. She has Velcro adjusters, which are so nice. So yeah, no permit, I mean, this is low density. Plenty of stretch in the cap and in the circumference as well. Okay, let's take a look at this color, 10613GR. So this is a beautiful rooted color, very pretty. You can see the different blondes that are running through here with the way the light is hitting it. You see that, you know, I'll describe them in a minute, but the light just caught it just right there, so I thought it was so, okay, so description for 10613GR is that this is a light ash blonde with platinum blonde highlights and medium brown roots. So the rooting is not too dark. You'll see when we go outside that the rooting is really not very dark. So, and then you can see that ash blonde and you can see that platinum. So here, right here, you can see the two of them together, the ash and the platinum. Looks really pretty. There's your rooting. You're gonna see your rooting around your face, under here, under your nape, and anywhere you separate the hair. Here we are in just room lighting. So again, the ash, the platinum, styling for Candace. So one thing that you can do, even though she has a middle part, she does have this lace front. So if you're not a fan of the middle part and you want to go more over to the side, then you can, you'll have your middle, but then take your lace front up here and you can part it anywhere on this lace front. And that can give you, more of the appearance around your face of a side part. That's actually what I would do. I did this with my Ellen Villa Drive and I think my, a couple others, I can't remember, a couple of these lob styles. But anyway, so, that just gives it more of a side part appearance if you're more of a side part person. So I will get her back here to middle part as easily as I can on camera. Not that easy to do. Okay, so you'll notice I have this in my hand. This is one of those styles that you are gonna wanna have your wide tooth comb on hand because she wants to be, in your face. Like if you walk from, a building to your car or whatever, you're going to get some face flopping and all that. So you're going to want to hop in the car and be able to comb those layers out of your face, and maybe even a little synthetic hair, safe hairspray would be a good idea, or some kind of product to just kind of keep it away from your face a little bit more. So anyway, so we'll look at styling, glasses, all that kind of stuff. So with this super low density, she's very easy with glasses. Glasses are no big deal at all. These ear tabs look so nice. You can really see them when I tuck it behind the ears. And they're nice and flush, flat against my face, which is great. So glasses are easy. Glasses on the head are easy. Like I said, this is very, very low density. So headband is cute. And like I said, if you wanted to cut that front layer a little bit, you could, and then you'd have some, hair around your face there. So she's really cute, half up, half down, and I think she looks so realistic, especially if you're used to having fine hair. When you pull her back, like this, I mean, again, that hairline looks good. Those ear tabs look good. So, you know, you can confidently pull her back tight like this and, you know that she's going to look like, it's going to look like your natural hairline. So, and then she's got enough length, you know, for a small pony, probably lower pony, I would say, just to keep these other layers, you know, in the pony. And she has an extended nape, which is great. So that looks cute. You could also, you know, twist her up, braid her, pigtails, you know, she looks cute like that, twisted up. So, you know, she would be a great, just an easy breezy wig, you know, for around the house too, for in the summertime when you want to just, you know, throw the hair up and that kind of thing and have it just all be back and stay in the clip, you know, instead of having little wispy layers that are going to be around your face. So anyway, so she's really, really cute. Thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Until next time, take care of yourselves. I thank you so much for watching my reviews. And don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.